Do you like your doctrine pan-fried? Young Don loves a good scrambled and fried doctrine. No better way to confuse people. So, like him, make up your own for free. Or maybe you charge people $5 to watch you live.
Shout out to Seth with the 20-piece, man. I appreciate you, brother.
Or $20, that's fine too.
The verse, I believe,
which really destroys this idea that you can be born again whilst consciously living a sinful life.
The fact is, everyone sins that is born again. See what I mean? You gotta scramble these scriptures like Don to fool people. Look at Ephesians 4:30, King James, of course. And grieve not the Holy Spirit of God, whereby ye are sealed unto the day of redemption. So, guess how a born-again believer can grieve the Holy Spirit? Go on, guess, I'll wait. By sinning, you knucklehead. When we sin, we grieve the Holy Spirit that stays within the believer until Christ's return. Let's slow it down a bit. If that verse went right over your head, you instantly receive the Holy Spirit from Jesus once you believe in him, regardless of your sinning, and as Ephesians 4:30 states, we are sealed until Christ returns. How is this not good news? Well, I guess that's not good news for this guy. He would rather create his own doctrine by using the ESV Bible, which has its very own misquoted text baked in, making his lies that much easier to spread. Watch this.
The man who has been born of God cannot keep on sinning.
Aha! I think we have found the culprit. The ESV says, keep on sinning, while the King James says, and he cannot sin. Big, huge difference. The ESV implies a believer must never keep sinning temporally or in the physical realm. The King James is speaking spiritually. Spiritually, the believer cannot sin. Why? Because as stated in Ephesians, the Holy Spirit is indwelt in us. The Holy Spirit is God. God cannot sin. But a believer is still in the flesh at the same time a born-again saint. Check Romans 7. You must know this very important truth of our two natures. If not, you will be like young Don, and either think every time you sin, you will lose salvation, or it will make you doubt if you were ever saved in the first place.
The man who has been born of God cannot keep on sinning. That is, he cannot practice sin.
Again, the ESV is dangerous to read. Practice sin versus King James, commit sin. Same as before. ESV is geared towards making you doubt your salvation. It's geared towards making you list the sins you commit as if they haven't been paid for. Let's watch Young Don list sins that Jesus has already died and paid for.
Looks like the free grace Christianity. A Christianity that says you can continue to watch porn, smoke weed, get drunk, be a bum, not spread the gospel, chase money for as long as you want, as often as you want, and still go to heaven. This doctrine creates false converts who lack the evidence that they truly believe, which is a change in behavior, a change in desires, and the obedience